take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale, let your shoulders drop, let your jaw unclench, let every muscle that's been fighting finally soften. This is your time, your space, your moment to step fully into freedom. As you breathe slowly, imagine each inhale filling you with clarity, and each exhale releasing the weight you've been carrying, the fear, the cravings, the shame, the frustration. You don't need any of that anymore. Good. Bring your awareness to the top of your head and imagine a warm, calm wave slowly moving downward across your forehead, your nose, your mouth, your neck. This wave glides down your shoulders, your arms, your chest, relaxing everything it touches. Feel your breathing get calmer, slower, deeper. With every breath, you're returning to yourself, to the version of you underneath the withdrawal, underneath the anxiety, underneath the substance. This is the real you, the strong you, the sober you. Now imagine standing in front of a big wooden door. Behind this door is your past, the cravings, the habits, the cycle, the guilt, the exhaustion of being chained to a substance. Place your hand on the handle and notice something important. You have the power to open it, and you also have the power to walk away. Take a deep breath and visualize that door slowly closing. You're not slamming it. You're not running from it. You're simply choosing to close it because you're done repeating the same chapter. As the door clicks shut, feel a lightness in your chest. Kratom has no authority over you, no seduction, no influence. Its voice gets quieter and quieter and quieter until it becomes nothing more than a distant echo. You now see Kratom for what it really is, a temporary escape with long-term consequences, and your mind becomes crystal clear. You don't need it. You don't want it. You rise above it. With your eyes closed, picture the urge, that familiar pull, that voice saying, just a little. Now see it shrinking, visually shrinking, dash, dash, like a balloon losing air, getting smaller, weaker, less important, because that craving is not your voice. It's a chemical impulse pretending to be you. But you are the one in control. You are the decision maker. You are the authority in your life. So from now on, when a craving appears, it triggers a new automatic response inside you. I breathe. I pause. I choose freedom. Say it in your mind. I breathe. I pause. I choose freedom. Good. You're retraining your brain. You're rewriting the story. You're stepping fully into your power. Now imagine a mirror in front of you, but instead of seeing the version of you who struggled, you see the version who's free, clear-minded, healthy, focused, strong, unchained. Look at that version of yourself. Notice the confidence, the glow, the grounded energy, the peace. And now step forward and merge with that version. Feel it sliding into you, locking in, becoming you. Because this is who you are now. This is your identity. A sober, powerful, unstoppable person who doesn't need kratom. Me, who doesn't chase relief because they create it from within. Take a deep breath and feel strength rising in your body. You are walking away from the old patterns. You are breaking the cycle. You are choosing life, clarity, health, freedom. You're not quitting kratom just for today. You're becoming the version of yourself who never needs it again. A sober life isn't something you're chasing, it's something you're stepping into right now, right here, in this moment. And as you move forward in your day, your week, your life, every craving becomes weaker. Every choice becomes clearer. Every step becomes easier because you're not fighting to get sober. You are sober. This is your new reality. Take one more deep, slow breath and let gratitude fill your chest. You did something powerful today. You reclaimed yourself. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and carry this strength with you. There is a way out, and you just walked through it.